Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you guys 3 green smoothie recipes. For me, I enjoy having these smoothies after I work out. I realized that people struggle to ensure that they're getting the right amount of greens in their diet day to day, and for me, by making these smoothies, I ensure that I'm properly fueling my body and giving it the nutrients that it needs in order to function. Not to mention, on days that I am super busy, I love to make smoothies because they're a super easy grab and go meal. I thought I'd share with you guys a variety of green smoothies for St. Patrick's Day. I know others will be drinking different types of green beverages today, however, I thought I would share with you guys some healthy green smoothies to kickstart off your St. Patrick's Day. Or even just to kickstart off your spring, because these are great green detox smoothies. If you guys are interested in finding out what my favorite 3 green detox smoothie recipes are, keep watching.
For my green detox smoothie, you are going to need half a cup of cilantro, half a cup of lemon juice, half of a green apple, 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds, half a cup of aloe water, half a cup of lime juice, and lastly 1 banana. In a high-speed blender, you're going to throw all of your ingredients, starting with your liquids. I find that this helps it all blend better. All of the recipes, including their exact measurements, I will put in the description box below this video. Once your smoothie is all blended up, go ahead and pour it into a glass and enjoy. Next up, we have my veggie lime and ginger smoothie. You will need half a cup of lime juice, 1/4 cup parsley and 1 stick of celery, 1 banana, 3 medjool dates, 1 cut up cucumber, a chunk of ginger, half a cup of filtered water, and 1/4 cup of almond milk. Once again, you will just be placing all of the ingredients in the blender, starting with the liquids. Once it's nice and smooth, go ahead and serve it. Next up, we have my strawberry banana green smoothie. You will need half a cup of strawberries, 1 cut up kiwi, half a cup of cilantro, 1 tablespoon of barley juice powder, 1/4 cup of coconut milk, a chunk of ginger, 1 banana, and lastly half a cup of filtered water. Once again, start off by placing the liquids in the blender with all the other ingredients following. Go ahead and blend until smooth. I personally love this one. It's nice and fresh, perfect for spring, which is right around the corner.
So there you guys have it. Those are my 3 green smoothie recipes that I am currently loving. I implement at least one of them in my daily diet. I definitely recommend trying them if you guys are not huge vegetable eaters. It is an easier way to get those nutrients into your diet, and you don't even need to have them as like breakfast or lunch. You could have them at dinner as well. They're all very delicious, and I've been noticing a difference in my skin and my hair and also my mood and energy level, which is just awesome. I hope that you guys have a fabulous St. Patrick's Day. If you guys love this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.